Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by capturing clarity, not loudness. Record dry with 0. 1 dB headroom so you have headroom to shape tone. Once recorded, remove rumble. High pass around 60 to 120 Hz to prevent muddiness while preserving chest. Then apply gentle compression, 2:1 ratio with medium fast attack and moderate release, to glue syllables and lift lower-level breath sounds. This makes the vocal feel fuller without pumping. Make sure to listen in context with the track as you set each control. Next, sculpt tone and perceived weight. You add warmth by boosting 120 to 400 Hz with a narrow cue, but be careful. Too much creates boxiness, so subtract around 3,000 to 6,000 Hz if harshness appears. Once done, add presence at 2 to 4 kHz for intelligibility and punch. To increase perceived thickness without sacrificing dynamics, set up parallel chains, mild saturation, gentle distortion, or doubled vocal at low level. Blend in until the vocal sounds richer, but still natural. Finish by gluing the vocal into the mix. Use multi-band compression or mid-side processing to tame low-mid buildup while preserving top-end sparkle. Automate gain rides for phrases that sneak below the mix, and add de-essing to catch sibilants introduced by presence boosts. Once balanced, apply a light bus compressor for cohesion. If something goes wrong, bypass individual chains one at a time and compare a /B to find the culprit. That quick isolation tells you whether EQ, compression, or saturation needs adjustment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.